Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm using my new GOOZEEZOO vector analyzer to test my Discone antenna. And right now, it's measuring SWR. And I apologize for the shaking. I'm hand holding my camera here. Um, what I need this Discone to be best on is 100 and just below 170 megahertz. And so I highlighted the 1 point there. That's where that one is. And the data is up here. And it's so as it shows it at, whoops, going out of focus, 171 megahertz. And the SWR is 1.657. Very good. And you can see that the Discone antenna is doing a good job on everything above about 100 megahertz. The display here is displaying 50 kilohertz to 900 megahertz. That's not what I set up, but somehow I changed it. I pushed too many buttons, but I wanted it to run from 100 megahertz to 90 to 500 megahertz. But this is good enough. So it looks like this antenna is working pretty good. The analyzer is working great, except for my little fumble fingers. And I have about a dozen outside antennas that were damaged. Most of them were damaged during the hurricanes last year, and I've been repairing them. So I need something like this to see if they're still working good. So this is really going to come in handy. And if you need to check out your antennas, this has many other functions. This is just one function. And I think that's one of the reasons they didn't provide a manual with this device, because it has so many functions. The manual would be a book to go through all the functions. So there it is, working good. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.